everyone, Giselle here. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today we'll talk about driver's license search. This is part of our Investigator Assistant Services. We have a third-party investigator that does these orders. This tool will help you get information from many state DMVs without the hassle of going to the DMV. So let's get started. Go to searchbug.com and log in. Okay, so once you're in, go to Hire Investigator and then driver's license search. So to locate the person's driver's license number, you need to provide the subject's name, address, and date of birth. So let's select a name here. This is just for tutorial purposes. You can also put the social security number if available. And you must also select your DPPA purpose or the Driver's Privacy Protection Act. This is required to protect the privacy of personal information contained in an individual's motor vehicle record. So the accepted DPPA purposes are the following: normal course of business, insurance activities, acting on behalf of the government, civil, criminal, administrative, motor vehicle safety, and private investigator functions. Let's try to select normal course of business. It is also required to enter the specific reason for this search. Say, for example, this is for identity verification. And once you're done, you can click Order Now. And please note that we will ask for supporting documentation. If you're unable to provide a legitimate document, your order will be cancelled. So the results typically include a full, partial, or truncated driver's license number depending on the state and DMV. So the cost for the search is $49.97. If your investigator is unable to locate your subject's driver's license number, you will be eligible for a refund of $39.97. No refund is available if your investigator locates any vehicle information associated with your subject. Lastly, the average turnaround time for this search is 1 business day only. You will receive an email once your order has been completed, or you can also monitor the status of your order by going to your account and select Investigator Orders. Okay, so on this page, you will see the list of your orders. You just need to select the order ID to view the details. There you go. So it's been received. And that's all for today. Follow us for more like this. Thank you so much for watching.